Good day all. So I want to review something I saw on gold that made me took the sell that I took a few days back. So 3 weeks ago, I saw this inverted hammer or inverted pin bar. I call it pin bar or hammer. So as I saw this pin bar, immediately price closes 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. I knew that gold will pull back. So as I was looking at it, I knew that something will happen on gold. So I took this sell. I took this sell, and I took this sell this week though, because I knew that if price takes 50% of week, this week here, the price will go down. So that was why I took the trade. Although I break even, I just took this one, I'll still break even. Although my stop loss is between here. So why I took the sell on gold was because I saw this pin bar. And on the monthly time frame, you can see that price made this all-time high and close very low, keeping this week long. So as this one is pushing down, I know that there's no obstacle on the monthly that will push it up. But on the weekly, we have some obstacle. We have this we have this fair value gap here. And this fair value gap came with this particular candle that still looks like a pin bar. So if price comes deep to the opening price of this candle, you might see gold dropping lower. And you can see the last place that price reacted on gold. And as it reacted, that was the push towards the all-time high. That was the push towards the all-time high. So my expectation on gold was to take out here, maybe come to this breaker block or other block, anyone you feel like calling it, anything you feel like calling it, come to this place within this area, which I'm suspecting that it might just tap into this place. Let me not go further, tap into this place before we see our new all-time high. But from the look of things, gold is still very bullish. But for now, the retracement is needed. So we need this drop that is going on right now for a better move. And on the daily time frame, you can still see an inverted hammer again here, which price came back to retest. Remember that price always comes to retest. Price came back to retest. And once you're on a bearish scenario, a strong bearish move, all bullish internal liquidity will be disrespected. So that's what really happened. That's why I took gold. And I know that as gold is dropping, I'll be trailing my stop because, you know, as gold is dropping, nobody knows. And on 4 hour, it gave this engulfing candle. It gave this engulfing candle. For my students that are still learning Pimba and engulfing candle, look at this bearish engulfing candle. It's actually engulfing these two candles. So it's a very strong bearish engulfing candle. And immediately as price closed, this particular next candle still engulf the closing price of this.